The Diploma in Nutrition is a Gateway Workshop's home study course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. It's a must for all therapists and health professionals, but it's also available to those with a general interest in nutrition. Nutrition influences everything from the way you look, feel, utilize energy, and fight disease. This course will give you an understanding of the importance of nutrition for optimum health, and our unique study materials will help you learn at your own pace, from your own home, without pressure or deadlines. You'll have a dedicated tutor to give you all the guidance you need, and when you book with us, you're safe in the knowledge that you've chosen a school with extremely high standards, a proven long-term track record, and tutors who are experts in their field. We've trained thousands of satisfied students, so why not train with an award-winning school for your diploma in nutrition? Sign up today.